What's up, everybody? Dude, guys, I am here in Tagum, Mindanao. Freaking love this town, as usual. But this is a great town, man. I just absolutely dig it. I've been here a couple nights now, and a lot to show you in this video. First up, I'm gonna drive down here a little bit. I'm gonna show you this town hall area. They got this really cool kind of courtyard with really some modern architecture, I feel. But the one cool thing that I really like about this that I haven't seen in any other place in the Philippines is this exercise area. It's got like a track plus all these little equipment. So I'm gonna show you that here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you a couple of big bike motorcycle places. Looks like right next to each other, there's Honda and a Kawasaki. Now I've already arranged with Honda. I'm gonna get some work done, hopefully fix the issues with my bike. So I'm gonna show you that, but right next door is the Kawasaki. So I'm gonna show you that. And then we'll end the video with some dinner with some subscribers that are here in town that have just been so cool. They're gonna take me out to this really cool restaurant that's got a great view of the city. So stay tuned for a video. Right now, I'm gonna hop on the bike and I'm gonna drive you down to the town hall here, man. I actually discovered this last night and just a great running area and exercise. So I did go for a run here last night. And you know, loved it. Super friendly people, everyone out exercising and playing around. I don't think there'll be many people out here right now because it is in the middle of the day. And Filipinos have a tendency to kind of hide out when it's this time of day, right? They're not out in the sun, which is smart because it's hot. But yeah, let's ride down. I'll show you the guys this road really quick. Just beautiful. I mean, look at this road. It's got a bunch of palms all around here. I dig this town. Oh, one of the things that I just saw on this sign here, it's not this one, but there's, oh yeah, that was it. So there's a festival here. It starts up today. So I've actually extended my stay. Yeah, the 17th through the 23rd. Today's the 17th. So I'm probably gonna stay here a couple more days and kind of show you guys what's that about. I asked the hotel, they said, yeah, it's some kind of music festival. So yeah. City of Harmony. Yeah, really, really cool. Just reading that sign right there. But look how beautiful this is, man. Just really well done. You got palms lining the street. You got a big Citi Hall coming up ahead. Yeah, I was just really impressed with this town. I'll put up in the map exactly where I'm at. I'm like an hour. They said, I was talking to the friends here, they said with traffic, freaking goats, with traffic, you're talking about an hour to Davao City. So, you know, not far out of Davao at all. Which is kind of nice if you need to fly somewhere. You got access to a big airport. So yeah, you can see here they're starting to put together for the festival that's here. It was really cool, man. I can't wait to. I did extend my stay, like I was saying, and I'll spend a couple nights here checking it out. But yeah, off to this left here, I mean, just really wild architecture. I haven't really seen this a lot in the Philippines, you know. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The nice thing too is there is not an airport around here nearby, so I'm gonna be able to get the drone up and show you guys around. So yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pull over here, get the drone up, and while I got the drone up, I'll tell you some, you know, we'll kind of go through some stats about the area here. So be right back with the drone.
Welcome to Tagum City, the vibrant capital of Davao del Norte in Mindanao, Philippines. Located just 55 miles north of Davao City, Tagum is a key crossroads in the region, easily accessible via the Pan-Philippine Highway. With a population of around 300,000 people, Tagum is one of the fastest growing cities in Mindanao, known as the Palm City of Philippines. Its streets are lined with thousands of palm trees, giving it a distinct tropical charm. But Tagum isn't just about greenery. It's also called the City of Festivals. Every year it hosts events like the Musicon Festival, celebrating local music and culture. One of Tagum's famous landmarks is the Christ the King Cathedral, home to the world's largest rosary, a stunning visual for visitors. For nature lovers, there's San Agustin Botanical Park, a peaceful escape filled with diverse plant life. And just outside the city, Banana Beach offers a mix of white sand shores and lush plantations. With a boom economy, friendly locals, and a laid-back yet progressive vibe, Tagum City is a place worth exploring. Whether you're passing through or staying a while, the city welcomes you with open arms.
We got the drone up, showed you some aerial shots. But before I peel out of here and go to the bike shops, I wanted to show you really quick this part of the town hall area too. They got this whole exercise park and picnic area right here. Check this guys out. There's elliptical machines, there's bikes, there's abdomen stuff. Goes all the way around this park, plus a running track. Now, there's really nobody out here tonight, right now, right? Because it's the middle of the day and the only idiot out here is me. But at sunset, this place was packed with people. I was out here running last night, and it was just packed with people hanging out in the grass, people doing stuff, people running around. So, gosh, I just really love towns that do this kind of stuff. Make these community centers, make them about health and fitness. That's freaking rock star. Really dig this town. So, all right, guys, next stop is gonna be the big bike shops. I'm off to Honda, I'm off to Kawasaki. They're gonna do some work on my bike, hopefully fix my steering stuff, and they're gonna change the oil and kind of run through the bike real quick. So really excited about that. Gonna show you that shop, and then also too gonna show you Kawasaki. So I'll be right back on the road. Okay, at the Honda dealership, guys. And so one of the things about dealerships here is you've got big bike shops, which have things bigger than scooters. But most of your dealerships are just gonna have scooters, like you see over here. You know, that's most of what the dealerships are in the Philippines, because those are the bikes that they sell. So you really have to look for, if you're looking for a bigger motorcycle, you have to look for what they call big bike shops. And that's also too true for service. So if you have a bigger motorcycle, you gotta go to the big bike shop for service. But upstairs here is actually where they have the big bikes. So let's go check them out. Actually, you know what? Check out this little Dax right here. It's so cool. And the Trail 125. Hey, my puntag. She was super sweet. She helped me out the other day. Yeah, let's go check out some big bikes up there. All right, so we're upstairs, and over here you can see they've got the NX500. They got both the black and the white. The freaking Transalp is right here. Gosh, just run through. African Twin. I don't think they show the prices on here. Here's the African Twin. They got a couple models. Goldwing down here. Got your accessories. Here's a bike that I kind of looked at a little bit. The Honda CL. And actually it wasn't available when I bought my Royal Enfield. But this would have been a cool bike. I think it would be a decent Philippines bike too. What's the CC on that? Yeah, 471 cc bike. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah. Great size for the Philippines. A little more suspension. With that high exhaust though on the side over here, might be a little bit tricky with panniers and stuff like that, but yeah, nice bike. And then you've got your CB 600R or 650R. Couple bikes, and then they got sport bikes all the way down through here. And then yeah, of course, here's Wilson down here, man. You gotta check out Wilson. Here's the beast. They got a black and a white one. So these are 410,000 for the bike. So yeah, man, really excited about this shop. I think they're gonna be able to help me out, figure out my problems with my wobbly front end. So be right back, and I'll show you the Kawasaki dealership, which is right next door. Be right back. So now I'm at Kawasaki. They've got some bikes here that I've kind of been interested in. They got the 300 SM, which looks like a fun little bike, man. I've never had a Supermoto. And then over there, it looks like the KLX 300, which when I was looking at dual sports, man, I definitely had my eye on that bike. So really cool. The other bike, let me show you this bike that they have right here, which I was really interested in also. It's the KLR, man. Check that out. You got the KLR 650, all decked out with panniers, top box, with rack and stuff. So that looks like a great bike. And then of course over here they've got a couple of sports bike and a couple big cruisers. So yeah, so kind of small shop, but not bad. A little Kawasaki shop. So all right guys, that's it for the dealer tours here. I've got to go back to Honda, check on my bike. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, another thing real quick, as I'm on my way back to Honda, I wanted to stop and show you. These are really popular on the street. I guess you can plate them. So I see these things everywhere. because they're all throughout. And they look like fun, man. A good little ride. Yeah, looks like a semi-automatic transmission. You know, I don't know how much they are. Oh yeah, you know what? Here's a price on them right here. Looks like 200,000. Wow, that's pretty cheap. 200,000. My bike was 400,000. I'll convert that out. But yeah, I see these all over the road here, man. Really, really cool. So certain areas, I guess you could ride these on. So, and some are different sizes. It's too bad you can't plate one of like those quads that they have in the States. I mean, those things look amazing. So, all right, we'll be right back. Back from Honda, and I'm checked into my hotel, and I thought I'd shoot you this, guys. I don't normally go this cheap, but sometimes it's a roll of the dice. This place, I think, is right around 800 pesos a month. I'll convert it out. I think it's like 15 bucks a night. Dirt cheap. But here's a quick room tour, guys. And honestly, the place I was staying at before, I didn't even have a desk. So in some ways, it's actually an improvement from a 1900 pesos place, or 1900 pesos a night. But yeah, this place is so cheap. But here we go. Here's the shoebox tour. You know, tiny little bed here. But it's got a really good air con. The thing is cranking, so it's nice and cool in here just after a couple minutes. There's a TV, which I don't ever use or turn on. But like I said, it's got a desk. And here, I'll show you guys the bathroom. Let's take a look in the bathroom here. You know, whatever. But it does have a hot water heater, man. So, you know, I don't know, man. For 15 bucks a night, it's a place to crash. It's not bad. Like I said, I normally don't go this cheap, but I thought I'd show you some really budget options when you're here and traveling around. You can stay really inexpensive, really can. So, all right, guys, got back from Honda, showed you the hotel. I know there's a lot in this video. We'll finish it up tonight though from the dinner at a really cool place. It's supposed to be actually at a really nice hotel. And that one runs at, I think I looked to stay there, it was like 3,500 a night. And I don't really want to spend that money. I don't need a really nice place to stay. I just need a good air con and a bed to crash on, honestly. But anyways, we'll finish the video out there. Supposedly they've got a nice view deck of the city, and we'll have a nice dinner and hang out with these guys. Really cool. And I don't know if they want to be on camera or say their names yet, so I'm not going to say that until later on. But anyways, we'll end the video there. So be right back at dinner. All right, guys, made it down to the hotel, and I could see why it's 3,500 a night. I mean, look at this lobby in here. It's just massive. Big freaking lobby, big comfy couches and stuff. So, but we're gonna grab some dinner here. I'm here with Pete and Hyacinth, and we're having, they've got a little kind of cafe restaurant. We just ordered some food, so be right there, hold on. Cool little shop. Yeah, I dig this place. I kind of wish I would have stayed here. It looks like they've got a really nice rooftop area too. It's a little bit rainy, so we weren't able to get out, but yeah. All right, so at the table, we'll be right back with the food. All right, guys, so the food arrived here. Check this out. We got our food here. Yeah, there we go. We got our food here. We got some crispy noodles. What'd you order, Pete?
Lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken? And what was this?
Sweet and sour pork.
Sweet and sour pork and a couple rice. So, all right. Say hey to everyone to Pete and Hyacinth, right?
Hyacinth,
yeah.
yeah.
Cool name. All right, guys. All right, well, we're gonna eat this food here and we'll be back. Really appreciate everyone watching and checking it out. Busy day today. I know we went all over the place. I was at the motorcycle dealerships, they're just everywhere. So appreciate everyone watching and staying tuned. So remember, feed the good wolf and pain. Bye,